Ta-da. Kajang Quantum Labs. Welcome everybody to Kajang Quantum Labs. This is a robotics company at its startup located in Kenya. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you about my Arduino kit that I ordered from Jumia and all its accessories. Enjoy, and I hope you learned something from this video. So this is the kit that I got from Jumia. I ordered the Arduino Uno Rev 3, as you can see there. Arduino Uno Rev 3. This is the board, and it came with a lot of other accessories like these female to female GPIO pins. See, female here to female. These are going to be used to connect the breadboards, the LED for basic circuit configuration. And this is what is called a breadboard. Yeah, it's no relation to bread, the mkate. That's the breadboard. I've shown you the female GPIO pins. This is for the battery, to connect the Arduino with the battery here on this port, as you can see. Yeah, it's connected here for power. And I got some really nice LEDs, like I don't know how many there are, 4, 5 plus 10, there are 14 LEDs here. Liquid light emitting diodes, LED, light emitting diodes for light. You get? Hope you get. Stay focused. Okay, I got also some resistors. As you can see, I got the 10K resistor, 220 resistor, 1K resistors, and some other resistors here. Some other 10K resistors, kilo ohms, and 330. So that's the kit that I got. I'll upload another video of the Raspberry Pi later. As for now, this is what you need to know. And an Arduino is basically just a PCB that has a microprocessor in it. A microprocessor is a device in a computer that, it's basically like a CPU. It stores memory, connects the wire connections. Yeah, so this is the microprocessor. This is what is called a microprocessor right here. Yeah, so this microprocessor, as you can see, there are these GPIO pins here. These things, these are what are called GPIO pins, pin headers, GPIO pin headers. So this microprocessor that I was telling you about is connected to each and every one of these pin headers. The ones you are seeing here numbered 0 to 13, and here, yeah, you can see the numbering: A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 for the analog input, V in, ground, 5 volts, 3.5 volts, reset, IO reference. So this microprocessor is connected to all of these pins in a circuit. So information will come from here to the microprocessor. Then the microprocessor is going to send the signals. Oh, the signals come from here to here. Sorry, from the pins to the microprocessor. Each and every one of these pins here, you're seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the microprocessor is connected to these ports. So, okay. We see, as you can see here, we have the capacitors and LEDs. These are LEDs here. 1, 2, these. Okay. So another information about this Arduino. Oh, this is the reset button. In case you want to reset the Arduino. What else? We have these pin headers here for ICSP. I'll let you know later what ICSP means. This here is an LED to show that the Arduino is on, that it's receiving power. Yeah, so when I plug this Arduino here in this port, this is a USB port. When I plug it to the computer, to my laptop, this LED will automatically turn on, will come on. LED light emitting diode. Okay, TX, RX, I'll let you know later what those mean. Okay, and as you can see, I don't know if you noticed, these numberings here for digital PWM. PWM means pulse width modulation. That just means that it can control analog input to digital input. What's that called? I've forgotten what that's called. Analog to digital. It's called AD. I think ADT or something. It has a inbuilt ADT. That's what I'll call it in quotes, ADT, because I don't remember the full. It has a built-in that. So these numbers that you are seeing here with the wavy squiggly lines, this here, number 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, that just means that those pins are capable of transmitting both analog and digital input. Yeah. And here we have got the analog input pins. Analog is just continuous form of data, like something like temperature, sound, yeah, those things, temperature, sound, some other analog inputs that you can think of, because naturally our computer processes information in form of digital. That's in district. That's like 1 and 0, true or false, yes or no. But these the ones that have these lines, the 10, 11, 10, 9, 6, 5, and 3. This can process both analog and digital. Hope you understand. So this is the Arduino. Welcome to Kajang Quantum Labs. I'll upload another video later about the Arduino, going deeper, and I'll also show you how to code a simple light blinking, mechanism for the Arduino, whereby I can control the LED blinking. Like I can control it, I can make it blink faster, like after every half a second it will blink, or I can make it blink after every 2 minutes. I can, I already tried it. It's just that we don't have electricity right now. I could have shown you the code for making this LED blink. This one blinks, it works. So that means the Arduino is programmable, and also means that it's functional, it's working, it's not a ragamuffin or something. So welcome to Kajang Quantum Labs, everybody, and stay tuned for my next video. Let me just show you as an extra what these pin headers do, and the female to male. So you can connect this pin header here. As you can see, it fits very nicely. Then you connect that pin header to the Arduino. Just hold on a sec, be patient. The world is a big place, and I'm not the only computer scientist in the world, so just give me time. You can also connect it here to the breadboard, so you can program the Arduino to do something on the breadboard. You can for a simple thing, you can connect LED here, and maybe one resistor, so that you can make this LED, the external LED. I'm not talking about the internal, the L. I'm talking about the other LEDs that I showed you. These LEDs, you can connect them on the breadboard so that they can light, blink, maybe even in a certain pattern. Maybe even the Christmas song, "We wish you a Merry Christmas," in that pattern. It can light in that format. It's really a nice thing to have for someone who is venturing into robotics. You see, you can do anything. The possibilities are endless with the Arduino Uno Rev 3. No company is sponsoring this video, so I won't make any shout outs apart from my family. Shout out to my farm, shout out to me for watching videos over 4 hours long instead of watching movies. Yeah, so I think that's something you can keep in mind. If you can watch a movie that is 1 hour long or 1.5 hour long movie, you can definitely watch an educational video that is 1 hour long or even 30 minutes long. Believe me, it's the same thing. Whatever you learn in those movies, whatever you'll see in those movies. I personally like sci-fi movies, the Iron Man movies, Captain America, Marvel comics. Stanley was the shit. So that's all for today. I can show you a quick intro of how the breadboard works. So this is a basic breadboard, a small breadboard. So on this breadboard, as you can see, we have the negative terminal here, the positive terminal, also here negative terminal, positive terminal. All of this terminal in this, what do I call it, column or row? In this row, all the negative, this terminal here, they are all connected. Also this terminal are also connected in this form, in this line, this direction that I'm showing you. Also this side the same way. So they are connected horizontally, they're all connected horizontally, and the inner part, these terminals are connected vertically in this form. So that's what you need to know. The outside ones are connected horizontally, the inner ones are connected vertically, like that, from here to here and from here to here, like that. They have numbers 1 to 30, and we have the letters A to J. You can think of it as a chessboard. Yeah, if you know chess, you'll definitely understand, you'll definitely get a grip of what's happening here. Now about connecting the resistors in series and in parallel, I'll show you another video. I'll record another video about that. I'll also record a video about the LED blinkings, the LED blinking on the Arduino, and I'll also record another video for showing how LED blink, connecting these external LEDs to the breadboard with the resistors. So stay tuned, and welcome to Kajang Quantum Labs, everybody. Hope you have a nice weekend, enjoy your days, and be happy, smile. Bye bye.